Before I upload Uranus from Where Do Planets Come From Snoring sound effect, I just wanted to apologize for uploading Catch TDPing videos without permission, and even though I used the sources for it, but that didn't work because I got 2 copyright strikes and it got taken down, and it will expire in the next 90 days, which is 3 months. So I shouldn't have done that, is because if I do this one more time, then my channel will be terminated. So let's keep this non-copyrighted. And 2 blind jokes will be discontinued. So yeah, let's go and resume.